Hello everyone, welcome back to Falcon Fire RC. In a past video, Ford hit a tree at almost full throttle with a slash 4x4. It broke the servo, and to replace it, he got this servo. The Spektrum S665. This is the servo that comes in the Arrma Kraton 6S EXP. So, it's quite fast, it's got a lot of torque, and it should work pretty well for this. We got this servo from Jenny's RC for $17.87, I think it was.
Yeah, probably.
And after shipping and tax, that equates to about $25. So I think that's like half the retail price of this servo. So that's pretty good. We did have a slight mishap with Journey's RC, which they sent us an S652 on accident, which is understandable because S665, S652, they've got similarities in the name. They're pretty good about it. I emailed them, and the next morning they sent an email saying they'd send us this servo for free and have a prepaid shipping thing to send the S652 back. It wouldn't cost us any extra, so that's pretty good. Jenny's RC is a good company. We're going to install it in the slash today, test it, and give a quick review on give a review on the servo. But before we put the new servo in, we have to install this fan because the old fan, the stock one on the ESC, got clogged up by rocks, and we tried to fix it, and then the fan blades broke. So Ford ordered this aluminum cased one. This is double the RPM of that fan, so it should keep the ESC even cooler than it is now. And we've already taken it and tested it. It fits perfectly inside there. So we're pretty sure this is the exact connector we need for the ESC. This is the Surpass Hobby Rocket RC fan. It's gonna, I think I calculated that it'll spin at 28,000 RPM, running on 6 volts from the ESC, so it'll still be running twice as fast as the stock fan. This fits like a glove, and the holes are lined up perfectly for the screws, so the servo that's in this slash right now is the 2075, but from my Traxxas Bigfoot over there. So we're going to take it out of the slash. Actually, no, not yet. We're going to do a speed and torque test. Then we're going to take it out of the slash and install the S665. So here's the truck with the 2075 servo. With speed of the servo. That's right how fast it is. We will compare that to the S665. There's a 2075 out. Now we're gonna install the S665. Ford is going to apply Loctite to this screw. Well, it's not actual Loctite. It's just like it's thread lock. It's basically Loctite. We call it Loctite, and we're doing this at night because we need to give the thread locker a while to cure. The stock screw works perfectly. Speed test on 6 volts for the S665.
What?
That's definitely faster. That's very fast. Holy cow.
What?
Speed of the servo. That's definitely faster. To test it, we are here in a park near where we live. We haven't been here on video before, but oh geez, yeah. You can hear that new fan screaming, and we've also done one other addition, which is four stripped hex off camera, which is why this video has taken so long to get out. And so he replaced it with the 0 offset ones from Proline, which make it so that the rear tires do not rub on the body anymore, which is a problem we had. The front tires still will, but it's not as bad as the rear. We need to also stiffen up the servo saver a bit, so.
Yeah, I just can't do it. I can't turn.
Yeah, just slow down right before you get to the turn. What did it do? It's
Not a fender. Yeah, I cannot go fast in the graphics full.
yeah, you're tired. I meant more for dirt and gravel. It is very bouncy going over those rocks. And it really wants to pick the front end up. It really wants to pick the front end up. So, initial thoughts on the S665 Servo.
I like a servo a lot more than stock because it's a lot faster and a lot torquier.
We are also running into the problem where it likes to flip more now. This is more a driver related thing than issue with the vehicle. Overall, the servo is great. It's the S665. We've already explained that it's faster, it's stronger, it's metal geared. You can get it on Journey's RC for $25 after shipping and tax. This is a great upgrade for the truck if you're looking for something to upgrade. However, I will say you are going to probably want to get a better servo saver, which you can't really do because Traxxas doesn't sell a stiffer spring for the Slash, although there are third-party options like the Hot Racing aluminum setup, which has an adjustable servo saver, so it's much less hassle to get the servo saver the way you want it. One more thing before I finish the video, however, I know it has been very long since the last video. It's been like, I think it's 2 weeks since the last video, and the reason for that is mainly down to two factors. First of all, both of these trucks and that one were broken. That one is actually still broken. There's a video coming on it soon once I get the new parts for it. But both of these have been broken, and also it is the end of the school year and we've had finals exams to study for and do. Another thing I will say, I reached 100 subscribers in that 2 weeks since that video where we upgraded the toy grade boat to hobby grade electronics. And I was gonna upload a video about that, but I think it's kind of too late now. I just didn't have the time to do it. Thank you to everybody here who has decided to subscribe. And if you're not subscribed, please consider liking and subscribing. And I have nothing else to say. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.